Avery,
Oh.
you want to draw on paper?
Yeah.
Can I see the canvas you have made so far today? Oh. Avery, can you say hi, Grandma Joan? Hey, artiste. Avery, are you an artist?
Ow.
What are you drawing? Avery, what?
Ow. Yeah, ow. Okay.
Can you sing a song while you draw? Avery, will you sing Mommy a song? Row, row. I'm an artiste.
Yay!
What did you draw? Was that a pumpkin?
Oh, 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 oh.
Tortured artist.
Yay!
Can you say hi, Grandma Joan?
Oh, oh.
Avery. Hello.
Oh,
Avery, can you say hi, Grandma Joan?
oh, hello, hi, hello, hi.
Can you sing the hello song? Can you sing the hello song? Oh, are you trying to get Mama? Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ooh, somebody just had a pooperella. Oops. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ooh, are we gonna make some turkey chili? Oh, what's that? What's that? How do you know what they are? That's for the Frito pie, honey. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Gotta change my diaper. Love you.